Hello guys, um, I'm Ankit. So this is my first analysis video of the major cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. So let's start, okay? If you can see here, Bitcoin is BTC 1 day time frame, and Bitcoin is beautifully following this trend line, this one which I have selected right now. And you can see it has taken, this is 92,000, or you can say 92,300. So it has taken support from this trend line multiple times. One, two, three. This is the third time. You can see this is 92 to 92,500 is a major support. And as long as we are above this trend line, things should be or are going to be okay. So today is 10th of January. What has happened is that we have seen a major correction. Bitcoin has fell down from somewhere from here 102,500 to 92,500. So this move particularly, uh, what I think is to flush out the bulls. That the big money and the big players are trying to what do you call check the patience of the retail traders. But as long as we are above this trend line, things should be okay. So let's check out this Bollinger Band as well. As you can see, it has taken, like people say that indicators do not work, but I find Bollinger Band with that one indicator which works beautifully. You can see here how beautifully it has worked in the 1 day time frame. So we should be staggering around between 95,000 and 92,000 for a few days more, as well, like 13th or 14th of January 2025. And after that, as we keep on approaching the Trump's oath ceremony, we'll see a good move, and most likely we'll cross 1 lakh and will be around that 1 lakh 5,000 mark. And after that, according to Trump's announcements and all, things are going to move. But around 20th to 22nd of January, I expect Bitcoin to be around 1 lakh 5,000. And for the next 2 days, 2 to 3 days, we should be hovering in between 95,000 and 92,000. Let's close this. Let's move on to the next one, which is Ethereum. A lot of people trade here. Let's delete this. And there's nothing much there. This line. You can see this is good enough trend line, and as long as we are above 3200, it has taken support here. This is 3050, this is around 3150, this is 3200. So as long as we are above 3000 in the Ethereum, it's should be good. And again, um, around 20th of January, expected to be around 3700, 3800, around this level. Let's check the Bollinger Band as well and see how beautifully it has taken the support of the lower Bollinger Band. Like, what else could be good? इससे अच्छा क्या ही काम कर सकता है? Even last time here, where I'm moving this cursor, यहीं पे कंसोलिडेशन होकर सपोर्ट लिया था। अभी यहाँ पे ब्यूटीफुल बाउंस मिला है। Let's move on to Solana. So this is Solana is the one where I trade the most. I made some good money in Solana recently. So if you see here again, this rectangular pink color rectangular area is where a lot of resistance was there, and this is the 220 area, 218 to 220 area. It moved there and then has given a good correction till 190. So if you use the Bollinger Band as well, yeah, it's a bit unclear, but if you see this trend line, see how beautifully it is respecting this trend line. So trend lines in the higher time frames do work. As you can see, if I can adjust this a bit, sorry. So this trend line is being respected very beautifully, and we should move to 220 uh, like now in the next 3 days we should be hovering in between 185 and 200. Once we cross 200 we should reach 220, and around the Trump announcement we should be around 225 to 30, and then once we cross this area, this resistance area, which is 216 to 220, once we cross 220 and spend some time over there, like we breach this pink rectangular resistance area and we spend some time, like let's say 1 day, 2 days, then the whole we can go back to 260 and then all time high. By the way, what do you call Solana is looking good. This is the one where I trade the most. But we have to see which two the last 7 days which two coins have corrected the least, and these would be Dogecoin and HBAR. So if you see Dogecoin, in the previous correction, which was around 19th and 20th of December 2024, it had shown a very brutal correction. This time the correction is less. That means it is in the next rally, um, Dogecoin and H bar are going to move. If you see this again, it has not tested the lower Bollinger Band, which is a good thing. Both Solana and Dogecoin have not tested or have not moved towards the lower Bollinger Band. So that is a bit, better for the up move. And if we see H bar, again this is also what do you call, this is also a coin where I have taken trades and made money. Again, this thing has also not touched the lower Bollinger Band. It has came down. Now it is going towards the 20 DMA. The another one which also looking good is AVAX. I think it's called Avalanche. Again, not touch the lower Bollinger Band. But if you see again, XRP is also good, but be careful. See beautifully how XRP has just taken support from the middle line, middle 20 DMA. So that means XRP is strongest of all. But be careful. The fluctuations in XRP are much higher. AVAX also looks good, and let's see AVE, which is a bit low, which is a bit less powerful right now, or what do you call the structure? It is testing the lower Bollinger Band. That means the probability of breaking the high is low, or probability of this giving a very good rally in the next rally is up move rally is a bit less. So we can conclude from here: Solana looks good, Dogecoin looks good, XRP looks good, AVAX looks good, and what do you call AVAX and HBAR both looks good. So try to avoid Aave, because the structure of Aave has, kind of, if you see here, that's kind of broken a triangular pattern down here. But also you can draw another trend line here. Let's remove this. If you remove this and change it here, something like this. This also looks good, but as you know, if they're bouncing back from the middle Bollinger Band, that's far better. And only one is doing, which is XRP, and other ones which have not tested the lower ones are Solana, AVAX, Dogecoin, and all those things. So now I think I have shown you how to analyze the coins, and you know the rally which is about to come after 13th or 14th, uh, towards the Trump's oath ceremony. You know which coins are going to participate. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned. I'll be bringing in more videos, and I'll be showing you some of my trades. Thank you. Thanks a lot.